Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draft to the whiteboard on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Open a whiteboard and go to the draft section under the text button at the left side on the screen. And here you can select the pencil, markers, and the eraser. And just select one, and you can draft to your document. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next time. Bye bye.